Oh, hi! You like making stuff with your hands, right? Well, have you ever wondered if a computer could help you make even more? Then you should know about Tinkercad. It helps you make just about anything your imagination can dream up. Watch this. From the very first click, you're making stuff. A thing. A mess. Anything you want. The best part is, Tinkercad helps you take your designs out of me and into the real world by showing you how to 3D print them. Laser cut. Build them with bricks. Or make things light up and spin. Why? Because with Tinkercad you can. And because keeping things flat is boring. Sign up for Tinkercad now. It's free and works on any computer with an internet connection. Not to mention, it saves your designs for you up there. Be a change maker and join the growing community of curious doers in the 3D fun revolution. Tinkercad. From mind to design in minutes.